Alright, this is FoamyDM. I've got a flying car. This is the AeroCar built in the late 40s and flew in the 1950s. This is part of BUILD-RUARY 2021. So,
windy and out there is filled with water. Well, I guess right now it's a car. A car that can wind right now literally just blew off my hood. Literally just blew off my hood. Holy jeez.
hey, this is gustier than I thought.
Yeah, it's really gusty.
Well, let's see.
Quick, well, there isn't as much. Oh. Well, you know you can get it in the air, just it's kind of hard.
Yeah, if you do it in the water, it destroys the vehicle.
That's in the water, all right.
Well, this may be very short-lived. I'm going to send it over that way. Hope I can get it in the air. What do you? It wanted to go in the air.
Yeah, I wanted to. Yeah, face it away from the side that has water. Great idea.
Doing it right in the sun.
Oh, yes. Ah. Yeah, that ain't working. Well. Oh my god, the wind is moving the camera because I'm holding it. It's these paint legs. Bro, they're in like Oh, it's in the air, it's in the air.
Oh, shit. Well, it flies.
Thank you.